In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.3, question 12. And question we have, function of x is equal to integral sine theta divided by 1 plus cos square theta d theta. Right, so we will suppose that t is equal to cos theta. So dt over d theta will be minus sine theta. So we will separate the variable. See, this dt will remain on the left hand side, while we will move to d theta to the right hand side. Right? Okay. So see, in the numerator we have sine theta d theta. Here we have sine theta d theta, but with the negative sign, which is equal to dt. So if we will divide both sides with negative, or we can move negative to the left hand side, it is equal to sine theta d theta equal to minus dt, which is equal to, instead of now sine theta d theta, we can write down negative dt 1 plus t square. So see, cos square, we have supposed that t is equal to cos of theta. So 1 plus t square, which is equal to, and this is the formula, minus tan inverse. This is the variable we have to use, t plus c. Right, 1 divided by 1 plus t square is equal to minus tan inverse. Why we are using minus here, negative here? Because we have negative here. So negative tan inverse, and instead of this t we can write down cos theta plus c. Right, so this is the answer, but still if you have any question, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.